Yes, sir, YouTube, man. It's your guy back at it. As y'all can see, we got the subs back in. We're getting ready for our test run. See what we got. So without any further ado, let's get it.
Justice League, Justice League, Justice League.
Yeah. If anybody who don't know, your boy Jeezy got a new album out. Yes, sir, and that's what we finna demo today. Don't Make Me is the track to the song, man.
Don't make me do it. Yeah. Cause you know I will, nigga.
What, man? Did y'all hear that? Alright, let's see. Maybe we was just tripping. Nah, man. And we actually think we seen what that noise was. Man, look here, man. Yes, sir, YouTube. Not only the spider, but we done blew the dust cap off too. Yes, sir. The saga continues. For y'all that don't know, E6000 to the rescue. Yes, sir, man. It's your guy. We out of there. Fast forward, we got everything glued down, secured real good. Yes, sir.